Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a mysterious theory about Uliana, Ursula's sister, and what might have happened to her in the Descendants universe. Ready to join me on this adventure? Let's go! As we know, before Auradon was even a thing, all the heroes and villains went to the same school, Merlin Academy. Back then, the Queen of Hearts wasn't always the mean, off-with-her-head villain we know. She was once a kind-hearted princess named Bridget, who believed that you could get more with sugar than with salt. But things weren't always easy for Bridget. There was another student at Merlin Academy named Uliana, who was the sister of Ursula. Uliana wasn't very nice to Bridget. She would bully her and make fun of her, especially because Bridget believed in being kind. Things got even worse at Bridget's first big dance. Uliana pulled a terrible prank and turned Bridget into a monster in front of everyone, both in looks and in how people treated her. This embarrassing and hurtful moment changed Bridget forever. She stopped believing in kindness and turned evil, eventually becoming the Queen of Hearts we all know, who's all about off with her head. Now, let's jump to when Auradon was formed, and the heroes decided to banish all the villains to the Isle of the Lost. But what about Uliana? Where did she go? Here's where the theory comes in. When the heroes were sending the villains to the Isle, the Queen of Hearts, who was now full of anger and revenge, saw her chance. She ordered Uliana to be taken to Wonderland instead. Why? To get back at her for what she did all those years ago. And in true Queen of Hearts style, she yelled, "Off with her head!" as a final act of revenge. So, Uliana never made it to the Isle of the Lost like the other villains. Instead, she met a very different fate in Wonderland, thanks to the Queen of Hearts' old grudge. This theory gives us a peek into the past of some of our favorite villains and shows us how one prank can change everything. It also explains why we don't see Uliana in the Descendants movies, because she never made it to the Isle. Plus, it shows just how much anger and revenge can change someone, like it did with Bridget, who turned from a kind princess into the fearsome Queen of Hearts. Do you think this theory is possible? What other mysteries do you think are hiding in the Descendants universe? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun theories and Descendants content. See you next time!